A two-digit number is less than 20, means that number should be less than 20. The sum of digits is double that of the product, means if you add the two digits, that is double of the products. So what is the number? And options are 12, 15, 13, 11. See here, you have to check within those options only. Don't go for thinking vague numbers. Okay. So don't go for x. Always we start like let the number be x. Don't go for that. Just check the options. It's quite easy. Don't. So sum is what? 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Product 1 into 2, 2. So is this double? Means sum should be double that of product. Is the product 2 double of 3? No. Similarly 15. 5 is 5 double of 6? No. Is 3 double of 4? No. Is 2 double of 1? Yes. So check reverse way. Is sum double of product? Means 3 double of 2? No. 6 double of 5? No. 4 double of 3? No. 2 double of 1? Yes. So the number is 11 because the sum is double than the product. So don't always go for x, and some problems can be solved without x also. Next.